But look at these lanterns, they're so pretty. Have you ever wondered how people in Chiangmai, Thailand spend their countdown and New Year's Eve? Each year we have is a precious year, as we only live once and have a limited life. As we all know, Chiangmai is one of the centers for digital nomads, and Thai is the country of smile. Every year upon this period, just a lot of tourists from all over the world, from East Asia, Europe, Australia, thousands of countries, come and gather Thai. Join me today as we are going to explore the vibrant celebrations in Chiangmai, Thailand, unique traditions, and the magical atmosphere in 2024 that may blows your mind. Hi everyone! Today is actually the last day of Chiangmai, New Year. So let's go to see how people in Chiangmai spend this New Year. Let's go! First we come to the Zoe the Yellows. I think this is a bar street in Chiangmai, but the difference is that it's very free. Like you buy one drink from 40 to 200 baht, and then you can take this drink and you can go to almost every part. Zoe the Yellow place is originally famous for its freedom that you can only just buy one drink around $3.5 and you can go through all the bars. But during New Year's countdown, they just arrange a super big free stage and invite the very famous DJ for the play. I gotta say that during the New Year's countdown, from 10 to 1, it is really a crazy scene. And the music they play seems really dedicated picked. A lot of girls, a lot of guys just come here to celebrate, to listen to the music. And also, in some kind of hole, to find a romance one. The whole market is so alive. We're driving in a magical tradition that lights up the sky during the New Year's Eve, the flying of lanterns. As we stand on the brink of a new year, people all over the world gather to release the lanterns into the sky around Chiangmai's old city. This tradition, with roots in Asian culture, symbolizes the letting go of the past worries and the welcoming of the new hopes and dreams. It's a beautiful way to say goodbye to the old and say hello to the new. So how to set up the lantern? First, you can buy it easily from the streets as there's locals selling it with a very affordable price. You unfold the lantern and gently stretch it out. Then you light up the fuel cell as the clock ties towards midnight. Hearts full of hope and eyes sparkling with excitement, people released these lanterns. The lanterns rise towards the starry night. It feels like we are sending our hopes to the heavens. It's a reminder that no matter where we are in this world, our dreams bind us together, lighting up the darkest of skies. But look at these lanterns, they're so pretty. People's adventure continues in the heart of the city, the old town and Phae gate. I think the street from Zoe to Phae is really crowded, and I checked on the red that there are actually a lot of people from other areas. So I guess today maybe by 1 AM there would be few people to sleep. Whether you're in love with friends or on a solo journey, come Phae, look at the crowd. The traffic gets really busy. How many people are on their way home? People come to Phae for the beautiful light shows here. There was also a free performance stage arranged by the government and dedicated light show with lantern sculpture. By the river, you can see people flying the lanterns away. The traffic is usually busy probably until 2 AM. Happy 2024! This is the time the last day of the year came and the new year is coming. We have nothing in our heart but just the primitive desire to be true self, see our past year off and fill the new year with our best wishes. Again, best wishes and best courage to all my lovely audience towards our beautiful 2024. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. This will really help a lot of people find this valuable and lovely content. This is Vec and see you next time.